Welcome to Learn Locust series. In this season 1, episode 1, we are going to see about Locust, how you can install Locust in your system. First, let us understand the history of a Locust tool. The term Locust derived from the popular Latin called Locusta, which means grasshopper. Locust is an open source load testing tool, and it's one of the popular Python-based testing tool in the market. The core features of Locust is you can define whatever you want to do by writing a Python snippets. So that is the power of Locust. The terminologies of the Locust has been derived from the nature. So these are the terms you frequently come across when you're working in the Locust tool. The first one is a swarm. Swarm means a group of animals that aggregate and travel in the same direction, like bees. So here the term swarm means attacking a particular system, or you are stress testing or load testing the web application. And when it comes to hatching, it is called production, right? So here there was a term called hatch rate before version 1.2, which got renamed to spawn. Spawn means releasing or depositing. So when it comes to spawn, you are basically spinning up the new user to attack the system. So these are the terms you should aware when it comes to Locust. You can install Locust in macOS, Windows or Linux operating system. Wherever Python runs, you can run the Locust. Only prerequisite is you need to have Python 3.6 and above, and it is good to have the pip package installed so that you can install the Locust using the pip install locust command. If you want to install the bleeding edge version, then you can follow the master #egg equals locust. The current version at this time of recording is 1.4.3 and it is licensed under MIT. You can refer locust.io or github.com/locust.io/locust for the source code and the documentation. The very important feature of Locust is it's powered by Python. If you like Python, if you love Python, then definitely you can give a try Locust. And if you are a Python developer, Locust is just a cakewalk for you. But if you're coming from the testing background, you may feel little overwhelmed because of writing Python code, but you can learn easily. There are a lot of tutorials available online for free. And documentation is available in the Locust website where you can just read like a novel and then you can understand the concept. You can create your own scripts and plugins, and you can enhance your requirements by writing the Python code. It comes with Flask micro web application framework so that you will get a beautiful web UI. You can just start the test, stop the test, you can debug the test. You can see the exceptions, errors, statistics, graphs, everything, just like any other testing tool. And also, by default, it comes with the distributed mode. When it comes to JMeter or any other tools, right, you have to spend a time to set up the distributed mode. But here, distributed mode is very, very easy. You can just spin up the master on multiple worker node, and you can initiate your test across multiple systems. And also it supports multiple protocols. So by default, it is good for HTTP, HTTPS, and also for the APIs, REST APIs. But community has provided a lot of plugins and third-party code so that you can refer, you can create your own client. For example, gRPC or FTP or SMTP, whatever protocol you would like to test, definitely there should be a client. But if there is no client available, you can write using the Python libraries. Next, we are going to see about the IDE. So which IDE you can use to write your Python code. There are a lot of free IDEs available in the market. VS Code, PyCharm Community Edition, Atom, Sublime Text, Thorny, Vim. So you can use whatever IDE you are comfortable. I don't think you need to go with the commercial editions of the IDE, but personally, I love PyCharm because it provides a lot of built-in tools like suggestions and best practices when you write the Python code. So in this demo, we are going to see how you can write a Python code in PyCharm Community Edition. Now let us see how you can install a Locust and get started with the Locust in PyCharm. Just download PyCharm Community Edition from the internet, and once you launch, you will get this screen. So here, click on a new project, and you have to give a name to your project. So in this case, let us go with 01 introduction. And here you have to create an environment for your Locust. So do not install Locust globally. You can create virtual environment. So here PyCharm supports pipenv conda, but you can go with virtual env because it's very simple, and you will feel comfortable in the particular package. And select the base interpreter. So you can install multiple versions of Python, but I'm going with 3.9. So this Python 3.9 I have installed from the Windows Store, Microsoft Store. But you can install the Python from the Python website as well, and then you can just configure the path variable. Rest everything I will just leaving it as a default. So I'm not inheriting the global site packages. I'm not checking this make available to all projects. So I'm just leaving everything default. I'm going to click on create. So this will create a project, and it will take a couple of seconds to create the virtual environment. After creating a virtual environment, we will see how you can install Locust. Okay, now the virtual environment has been created. By default, it comes with pip package. So no need to install pip separately when you're using the virtual environment. And the Python 3.4 also comes by pip by default. So just here, click on a terminal or press Alt F12 key, which will bring up the VNV enabled by default. So here, what you can do, you can install the pip Locust package by typing pip install Locust and hit enter. This will install the Locust from the PyPy, and it will just automatically download everything for you. It will set up everything. So no need to do anything from your side. Everything will be taken care by the pip command. Now it is successfully installed. To verify the installation of Locust, you can type locust -h, which will display all the help commands for the Locust. Or you can type locust -V and hit enter. This will display the Locust version, which is 1.4.3. In next video, we will get started with the simple Locust program in Python. Thank you. Have a good day.